Hello students, this is Srikanth Atvarthi. You watching Srikanth Ideal Chemistry. Today's session we are discussing about organic conversions. So these organic conversions are very useful for the quick reason of organic chemistry in the point of IIT JEE and NEET and any set or engineering entrance examinations. So in this I discussing about best 8 organic conversions. The first one is organic conversion 1. First conversion or organic conversion 1. So the first organic conversion is increasing of length of the carbon chain or increasing of number of carbon atoms. Increasing of length of carbon chain or increasing of number of carbon atoms. So for this conversion, I just want to start with methane. So methane is the basic alkane and it is contain only one carbon. So methane. CH4. So it is called as methane. Okay. So in the first step, the methane undergoes chlorination. In presence of sunlight, it can be from the methyl chloride. When methane undergoes chlorination in presence of sunlight, it can be from the methyl chloride by the loss of hydrogen chloride. This is the first step. In the next step, the methyl chloride react with another molecule of methyl chloride with the sodium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether to form ethane by the loss of 2 moles of sodium chloride. Ethane. What happened here? When methyl chloride react with another molecule of methyl chloride in presence of sodium metal and dry ether, it can be formed the ethane. So in this process, we just lost the 2 moles of sodium chloride. So and these conversion we call as a Woods reaction. What is Woods reaction? I think you know very well. So what happened here? In the first step, the methane is converted into the methyl chloride by the reaction with the chlorine in presence of sunlight. In the second step, the methyl chloride converted into the ethane with reaction of 1 mole of methyl chloride and 2 moles of sodium metal and in presence of dry ether. So this step we call as a Woods reaction. It is very important Neyman reaction in alkanes or hydrocarbons. In the next step, so when you observe this step, here we convert the one carbon into the two carbons. I mean the length of the carbon chain increase from one carbon to the two carbons. So in the next step, these two carbons can be increased to the 4 carbons. So for increasing of 2 carbons to the 4 carbons, I just repeat the same process. So here what done? First we done the chlorination in presence of sunlight. In second step we done the Woods reaction. So when ethane react with the chlorine in presence of sunlight, it can form the ethyl chloride by the loss of hydrogen chloride. Ethane undergoes chlorination in presence of sunlight. It can be from the ethyl chloride. And these ethyl chloride react with another molecule of ethyl chloride with the sodium metal in presence of dry ether. It can form the N-butane. Butane or N-butane by the loss of 2 moles of sodium chloride. By the loss of 2 moles of sodium chloride. So when you observe the conversion, the length of the carbon chain can increase from 2 carbons to the 4 carbons. So if you want to increase the length of the carbon chain from 2 carbons to the 3 carbons, we need to do the Corey-House synthesis. So the ethyl chloride react with methyl chloride in presence of lithium or copper iodide in a dry ether. So this is called as a Corey-House synthesis. So what happened? When ethyl chloride react with the methyl chloride in presence of lithium and copper iodide in dry ether, it can be formed the N-propane. So here the length of the carbon chain increase from 2 carbons to 3 carbons. So what in the ethane undergoes chlorination and form the ethyl chloride, and these ethyl chloride react with the methyl chloride in presence of lithium and cuprous iodide and dry ether we call as Corey-House synthesis, and it can be formed the N-propane. So if you take again, if N-propane undergoes chlorination in presence of sunlight, it can form the propyl chloride. What you got? Propyl chloride by the loss of hydrogen chloride. So when propane undergoes chlorination in presence of sunlight, it can be formed the propyl chloride by the loss of hydrogen chloride. And these propyl chloride again undergoes Corey-House synthesis. It can be from the N-butane. So this is the process to increase the length of the carbon chain. So we start with 1 carbon and it can continue with 2 carbons. Then it can be converted to 3 carbons and 4 carbons in different ways. If you got the 4 carbons, we need to do the Wood reaction. If you need the 3 carbons, we need to do the Corey-House synthesis. Okay, odd number of carbons, we must take the Corey-House synthesis. Even number of carbons, we don't need the Corey-House synthesis. We need to use the Wood reaction. Okay, so this is the conversion one and increasing of length of the carbon chain or number of carbon atoms. So okay, thank you students. If you like my concept, if you like my teaching, so please subscribe my channel and please like and share my videos. Thank you.